is back in session. Welcome back to another episode of Rollin' with Nick Campus Edition. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in my home state of Georgia at the one and the only Georgia Institute of Technology, often called Georgia Tech. Now, Georgia Tech's #1 rival in sports is the University of Georgia Bulldogs. But anyways, today at Georgia Tech, we're gonna roll through the campus and see what, not everything, but see what Georgia Tech has to offer. The campus is huge, so we're not gonna waste any time. So let's go ahead, come along, and let's check it out. All right, y'all, so our first stop today behind me is the beautiful Campus Recreation Center with the aquatic pool. Fun fact, the aquatic pool was actually supposed to be used for the 1996 Atlanta Olympics. However, it just wasn't the place for competitive swimmers to be at. So this is the beautiful Georgia Tech Aquatic Center. They have a really nice gym, so I've heard. And then to our right, we have the Whitehead Building for Health Services. So this is our first stop here at Georgia Tech. And then our next stop is going to be the amazing Student Center. So today we are starting our journey at Georgia Tech right here at the Student Center. Now this Student Center holds so many activities, so many food places. This is where you're gonna congregate with your friends. You're gonna relax, you're gonna chill. They have a Tech Rec Center in here. They also have Panda Express. They have dining, they have food, they have a post office. This is the Student Center where you're just gonna literally go have some good time. You may be able to get some studying in because they also have places for you to study. Also in the Student Center, they have they have the Student Government Association and so many different offices. So a lot of stuff is going to be right here at the Student Center. So I know you may be asking, how do I get around this huge campus? So like many schools, this school has a tech transportation service and it's called the Tech Trolley. Now the Tech Trolley allows students, faculty, and staff to navigate between the modern Midtown Atlanta station and the transit hub, serving destinations like Tech Square in between. So you have just to wait at the bus stop and then it'll pick you up and you can download the Georgia Tech app to see what schedule these buses are running on, etc., etc., etc. One thing that I really like about this campus, I don't like that sun right there. But one thing I really like about this campus is that it's so close to so many things. You have Atlantic Station, which is like a 6 or 7 minute walk around here. And also you have Coca-Cola downtown, and you have Turner Broadcasting Systems. If you're in the School of Media and Communication, that's gonna be amazing if you want to do an internship there. So it's a lot of places around Georgia Tech that are easily accessible via walking or Lyft, Uber, train, bus, whatever. So it's a lot of places that you can go to. So you should never really be bored over here at Georgia Tech. All right, and then over here we have the row stamp student athletic fields. So now this is for all y'all who love the athletics, who love the sports. This is where you have the intramurals, you have the sports clubs, you have the teams. You all come out here to exercise, and this is where it's going to be at. And it's actually right adjacent from the CRC, which is the Campus Recreation Center. So you come out here, get your exercise in for the day. Named in honor of former Institute President G. Wayne Clough, I think that's how you say it, this undergraduate learning commons opened in 2011. So now this is a really nice building. It's 5 stories, 222,000 square feet. It's a learning commons. The building serves as an interdisciplinary facility to encourage collaboration and technologically enhance teaching and learning. So this is really a beautiful place. It has a library, it has computers. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. When I walked in, my mind was blown because I've never seen anything like this at a campus before, at least where I went to school at. So this is a really nice building. Okay, so this is actually a very, very, very important building. So this is the Bill Moore Student Success Center. And here you're going to have the financial aid. This is where you're going to come literally, you're probably going to be here so much, especially starting your journey out at college, because you're going to have questions about financial aid. You're going to have questions about resources, maybe campus maps, whatever it is. You're going to find it right there at the Student Success Center, because that's the point of the Student Success Center. If you want to find out about scholarships, go there and they'll be able to be a resource, guide you to where you need to be at. Over here at 801 Atlantic Drive, you have the College of Computing. Now, I'm sure you imagine, since this is a technical college, it is, well, okay. But anyway, this is the College of Computing at Georgia Tech. So, all my techies, this is going to be the place for you. And here we are at the H. Milton Stewart School of Industrial and System Engineering at Georgia Tech. Now, Georgia Tech is very great for academics, and if you want to be in the engineering field, technical field, this is going to be the place for you. It's, according to Georgia Tech, they have top-notch students, outstanding curricula, and extensive research focusing on improving quality of life right here at the H. Milton Stewart School of Industrial and Systems Engineering. And then right here is the Skyls Classroom building for mathematics, literature, media, and communication. So I left the piece at my house for the tripod that's supposed to hold my phone to the tripod. So guess who's not going to be doing a lot of stand-ups today? Sorry, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I had it in a bag, but clearly I don't. But anyway, so that's why I'm not doing a lot of stand-ups in front of the buildings and whatnot, because I don't have the tripod piece. Hey y'all, and then over here we have the Fuller E Callaway Jr. Manufacturing Research Building. So if you're into manufacturing research, then you're going to go to this building right here to expand upon your knowledge and your skills. Then moving on, this is for all of my creatives, all of my theater people. This is the First Center for the Arts. Here we have theater, dance, music, events, so many things for artsy people right here at the First Center for the Arts. And then here we have the Montgomery Night Building for aerospace engineering. So yeah, not really much to see at this building, but you know, if you're into engineering and all that good stuff, you'll probably have some classes over here. It is a tech college, so here you go. And then over here you have the stadium. The stadium. And then this is going to be some signs for the East Campus about different buildings that are over here. It's a walkway. It's a really huge campus. So yeah, East Campus. And here you have it right here at Georgia Tech. So then we're going to zoom through a few more buildings. We have the Evans Administration Building right here. Bam, bam, bam. And then this is just going to be a very typical pre-COVID day here at Georgia Tech. People are walking, enjoying the beautiful sunny day out, and just really going on their business. He looks like he's on his way to class. And also what's cool about this campus is that they have some hammocks that you can, you know, chill out on and whatnot. So yeah, that is here at Georgia Tech. So that ends our journey here at the Georgia Institute of Technology. Thank you all so much for tuning into another episode of Rollin' with Nick Campus Edition. And I hope that I was able to be of assistance, be of help, be of whatever you needed today in this video. Please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later. School is back in session.